Hi, this is Phil Bautista, call sign Alpha Alpha 5 Echo X-ray. I'm inviting you to attend the ieee Rising Stars Conference in Las Vegas, Nevada, this January 2023, January 3rd, 4th, and 5th. At the conference, you'll be able to register for the Zombie Apocalypse Workshop, where you will learn how to communicate using nothing but a battery and a wire and a radio. No internet, no phone lines, no cell phones, no computers, and you'll be able to talk to people around the globe. We will use a special event call sign granted to us by the Federal Communications Commission. That call sign will be used to help you make your first radio transmission for those of you that don't already have a call sign. If you have your own call sign, you can use your call sign and our equipment to use the repeaters locally and around the globe to make contacts. We'll also have an HF station where you can use the ionosphere to bounce signals off of our atmosphere to make contacts across the globe using our HF equipment. There's also going to be a slow scan television competition. This is our version of, since it's Vegas, a poker run. You will use our equipment to receive an image. You'll need to bring an Android or an iOS device to download an application that you will use offline to decode the image. You will then take an image and re-encode an image that you take, send that to the proctor. For each successful reception and transmission, you'll receive a card. At the end of the competition, the person with the highest card or hand will win a prize. There'll be first, second, and third level prizes. At the end of the day, we'll have a VE session or an amateur radio exam that you can take for any of the three existing exams. You can take the technician's exam, general exam, or amateur extra exam at no cost to you, simply by attending the conference and signing up for the Zombie Apocalypse Workshop. So go right now to your web browser and sign up at ieee-risingstars.org. That is India, Echo, 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 hyphen, Romeo, India, Sierra, India, November, Golf, Sierra, Tango, Alpha, Romeo, Sierra, Decimal, Oscar, Romeo, Golf. Again, that's ieee-risingstars.org. Sign up for the conference, come take the exam, participate in our slow scan television competition, and make your first contact locally and around the globe. This is Phil Bautista, call sign Alpha Alpha 5 Echo X-ray, signing off and saying 73. See you at the conference.